Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we dive into the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm Alex, and I'm so glad you're here with me today. Our word of the day is assistant, an A2 level adjective that means helping or aiding in tasks. It's a word you might hear in offices, schools, or even at home when talking about someone or something that helps make a task easier. The word assistant is often used to describe something or someone that provides support or help. For example, you might hear someone say, "I use an assistant app to manage my schedule," or "she's an assistant teacher in the classroom." It's a practical word that fits seamlessly into everyday conversations. Some synonyms for assistant include helpful, supportive, and cooperative. For example, you could say, "He was very helpful in organizing the event," or "her supportive attitude made the project easier." These words highlight a similar idea of offering aid or being a source of help. On the other hand, some antonyms of assistant are unhelpful, hindering, or obstructive. For instance, you might say, "The new software was unhelpful and slowed down the process," or "his obstructive behavior made the task much harder." These examples show the opposite of being helpful or supportive. Now, let's look at how assistant appears in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend about your work. You could say, "I'm thinking of hiring an assistant to help with scheduling meetings and organizing files." Or perhaps you're shopping for gadgets and you mention, "I love using my virtual assistant to set reminders and play music." It's a word that pops up naturally when discussing help in many forms. Here are a few more examples of assistant in sentences. The assistant manager is responsible for handling customer complaints. Having an assistant chef in the kitchen makes preparing meals much faster. A digital assistant can be very useful for managing tasks efficiently. To wrap up, today we explored the word assistant, its meaning as helping or aiding in tasks, some handy synonyms like helpful and supportive, and a few contrasting antonyms like unhelpful and hindering. I hope you're feeling confident about using this word in your daily life. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave us a review. Your support means so much and helps others discover the show. I'd love to hear from you. So, why not create your own sentence using assistant and share it in the comments? Until next time, keep learning and exploring the amazing world of words.